Mark needs to install new brackets on the axle to provide a rigid mounting point for the brake hoses, the new brake hoses we're installing. A rear end needs a rubber brake hose between the body and the rear axle because the axle goes up and down, and we need rubber hoses on this application to go between the calipers and the axle. So he's chiseling off the old little flexible steel hold downs. Those aren't strong enough to hold the new style hoses in place, and he's grinding the axle to get it clean so he can weld the new brackets on. It's important to get everything clean before he does the welding. He's going to measure it to get everything squared and plumb so it looks real good. You need to get it clean so that you can do good quality welds and it looks good. Mark's installing the brake hoses in there, just kind of roughing them in to get an approximate length of them so he can get a good mounting point for the brackets that hold the hoses in place.